Hello everyone. Welcome back to our C# programming series here on the channel. In today's video, we'll add a creative touch to our coding by learning how to display a short poem or your favorite quote using C# in Visual Studio Code. By the end of this lesson, you'll see how simple and fun it is to express ideas through programming while practicing your basic output skills. In programming, one of the first and most essential skills is learning how to display text. This not only helps us show results but also allows us to create meaningful outputs for users. A short poem or quote is a great example because it's simple, yet it demonstrates how multiple lines of text can be displayed in sequence. Using Console.WriteLine, we can bring words to life on the screen, making our code both functional and expressive. To summarize, we learned how to use multiple Console.WriteLine statements to display a short poem or quote in C#. We explored how text can be arranged line by line to produce clear and structured output. More importantly, we saw how this basic concept prepares us for handling larger amounts of text and user communication in future projects. Thank you for watching today's tutorial. I hope you enjoyed coding your very own poem or quote in C#. Don't forget to like this video, leave a comment with your favorite quote, and subscribe to the channel for more beginner-friendly programming lessons. In our next videos, we'll continue building your coding skills step by step, so stay tuned and happy coding!